couple of months ago, I painted this. Now I ride in the dirt, and I'm constantly exposing this thing to oil, dirt, grease, and detergents. But you know what? It's still there, and it's made from binary epoxy. That is my quiet core, and it works great. Painting and refinishing is an art and a science in itself. After a few years of screwing things up really bad, I learned that it takes a little persistence. And if you don't have a paint booth or professional grade paints, sometimes you just have to work at it. First try, second try, third try. Hey, it's a fact of life. But once you get it right, you can do some pretty nice things. Okay, we're back the next day, and the part that's broken is there. I'm tapping it to make sure that it won't break off. And it looks like the JB Weld has secured and locked in the top part of that plate. So the part that's broken is actually behind this. But this looks terrible. And I love gold. So let's see if we can do something about the way that that looks. All right, so 120 grit. While I'm sanding here, I'm also testing to make sure that my JB Weld is held up. If it snaps off, then the answer is nope, it did not hold up. When you're at 320 grit, you ask yourself, is that the finish that you wanted to have? And the answer is, yeah, I kind of like that. So we're gonna hit that with some primer and see how that looks. That's actually looking great. The magic of working with the heat gun is that the paint cures really quickly. You can see when the paint's curing because the tape bubbles. So that's not coming off on my fingers at all. That's ready to assemble, and that's only been what, 5-10 minutes. So yeah, let's assemble that.